How do you use CJ Dropshipping on your Shopify website? On this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the basics, which is adding the app and then also listing your first product with it. So let's start by going on your Shopify admin board. Go on the left-hand side here, and then press on Add Apps. You'll be prompted with some suggestion apps, but just scroll down and then go here on the Shopify App Store. You can also just Google it if you'd like. And then let's just search CJ Dropshipping. Here it is. It came up right here. Now let's install. With that, you'll be prompted on this install app here. You can view the personal data and you can view the edit store data as well. Let's install. Once your the CJ Dropshipping app is installed, you'll be prompted to authorize. If it's your first time as well, you may be prompted to log in, but there will be on-screen instructions for that, and you won't need a tutorial to do that. But anyways, let's just authorize this. Confirm. Once you've authorized it, it'll say authorization success, and now we can start listing our first product with CJ Dropshipping. So on the left-hand side here, let's just search on Find Products. There will be a lot of products you can list. You can also search your own if you'd like. Let's just search a ring, for example. I want to dropship these European and American jewelry fashion ring. Let's search where it's from. Once you're happy with the details, let's just press list. A connect is if you already have this product on your Shopify shop, you can connect it, but that's a whole nother tutorial. So let's just do list for now. List. Just press sync for it to automatically fill in all the pages here. This product type will be rings. Let's just add a new one. And the vendor is, let's just put in CJ Dropshipping. Be sure to go over the variant pricing as well, right here. I'm just going to press recommended listing price, and it'll automatically fill in the prices for you, but you can also manually add it in yourself if you like. Once all of that is done, let's just list it now. Listing in progress, but let's just go find more products in the meantime. It should be done by now. Let's see. If we go back here on our Shopify website, let's go to products. And there you go. It just added it just now. You have the product automatically listed on your Shopify website. So it's as easy as that.